So prior to building out the application, we need to make sure that we have the associated packages and dependencies that the application is going to need to run. And with this, I created this requirements.txt file. This has a bunch of comments associated with each package so that you can have an understanding of what each package does. Basically, we're going to be importing each one of these packages into a code base so that we can use these as leverage to build out our application. So with that, most of these are dependencies, and the main packages that I want to point out are going to be the Dash framework, the Flask system for running applications. Then we're also going to be using pandas. We have python.env, which is going to allow us to hit on this .env file, which is where we store our secret keys. For example, when we created our Stripe payment system within the Stripe dashboard, it gave us a secret key that allows us to associate it to our account and to start working with the Stripe system. So that is a secret key that you want to keep private. So you use .env to securely transport the key directly to the code so that other people can't see what your secret key is. So with that, all I want to do is I want to import all of this. You need to make sure that you have an environment set up for your project, which you should already. If not, just look up how to set up an environment within PyCharm, or if you're using VS Code or whatever IDE. But outside of that, all we need to do is we need to run the command pip-install-r requirements.txt, where we point to this specific file and it's going to import all these packages into our code base. So the -r is basically telling the code to read this specific file, and once it does, it's going to import everything. As you can see, everything's already satisfied because I already have it set up in this project. But that is all you're going to need to do. So with that, let's actually get started in building out the application.